Hi, Cougars. Okay, yesterday we talked about looking at clue words, right? And writing numerical expressions. So we had all our different clue words. We looked at our language arts phrases, and then we did some practice work with that. So today we're going to look at how do we take what we learned yesterday and apply it to writing expressions when we have word problems. So not just like one sentence, but like a whole word problem. For example, this week Leslie spent 4 hours at dance practice and 3 hours at gymnastics practice. How many hours did she spend at practice? So we would be able to take what she did at each practice and combine them together to make a math sentence. So we would say, we would take the sentence, Leslie spent 4 hours at dance and 3 hours at gymnastics. Our job is to turn this into a math sentence. How many did she spend altogether? Well, this would turn into a math numerical expression by using, again, our clue word, right? Altogether would be our clue word. So altogether, how many altogether? Well, that clue word tells us that we should be adding, right? So all together, and this word here, and, says that we're going to be combining our two numbers all together. So we're going to take this number 4 hours, I don't know why I circled all the way over there, and 3 hours, and we're going to combine those together so that we get all together. We are not solving this problem. Okay, we're not solving it. We are just writing a numerical expression from this word sentence. So we're just going to take the 4 hours, join them together, and the 3 hours, and join them with an addition sign. And that is it. That's all you have to do. So we made a numerical expression that looks like 4 plus 3. That's it. That's all that you have to do. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, Leo had a box of 16 ice pops in his freezer, and his neighbor ate 7 when they were playing hide and seek. So him and his neighbor ate 7 after they played hide and seek. How many does he now have? So we want to know what is a numerical expression. So Leo had 16 ice pops. He ate 7. How many does he have left? Okay, we have a clue word there, right? So what are our clue words? Well, our clue word is left and ate. He ate them. We started with 16. He ate 7. So our numerical expression, our math sentence is 16 minus, because we know we're doing subtraction, so subtraction, 7. 16 minus 7. He ate 7. So he had 16, he ate 7. So our numerical expression shows exactly what this sentence is telling us. Okay, let's do another one, and then you will have a try it. All right. Jacob is building a model of a skyscraper. He put together 56 pieces and then another 42. Addition? Yeah. Okay, so this one is addition. So he started with 56 and then he put together another 42. Exactly. Okay. The Crystal Cave Aquarium made $555 from ticket sales from the penguin feeding show. The aquarium charges $15 for each ticket. And we want to know how many tickets were sold. So we can write this out so we can see this one, okay? So the tickets were $555 from ticket sales. The aquarium charged $15 per ticket. Which expression shows how many tickets? What expression would we write to show how many tickets were sold? So what would we have to do here? How many tickets were sold? How could I show how many tickets were sold for the penguins? So to me, this looks like it started as groups of, and then it broke it down, right? So this looks like a division problem because it was per ticket, and this was the total. So we had this total, and then we had per ticket. So this tells me division. So I'm going to take $555 divided by 15. This expression, this numerical expression, will show me an answer for how many tickets sold. I'm not solving. I'm just writing numerical expressions. Okay, now it is your turn to do a try it. Okay, your turn to do a try it. Okay, your grandma has 6 shelves of DVDs. Each shelf has 28 DVDs. Write me a numerical expression for how many DVDs there are all together. Okay, so this is your try it. Granny has 6 shelves of DVDs. Each shelf has 28 DVDs. Write me a numerical expression that shows how many DVDs there would be altogether on Granny's shelf. Go for it. What clue words, what signals, what expression you're going to need or operation you're going to need to use to be able to solve this problem. Okay, go ahead and hit pause right now so that you don't hear me solving this. Okay, and then also I think I mixed up my colors. Yep, I did. Oh, that's okay. I used orange instead of pink. Sorry, you guys. Okay, all right, so Granny had 6 shelves of. This sounds to me like groups of. So this sounds like groups of, and I know groups of is like multiplication. So Granny has 6 groups of 28. So to me, this is 6 groups of 28. But I probably don't want to use an X as we're moving into algebra. So I'm actually going to rewrite this and say 6 groups of 28 and leave it like that. I'm not solving it because I just wanted an a numerical expression. I don't need to solve it. Okay, tell me down below, answer your essential question. How do you write expressions from word problems? So answer your question down below. What's something important that you learned from your lesson today? What do we need to look for? How do you break it down? And then over to the side, in a little box, tell me how do you feel about writing numerical expressions from word problems. Okay, when you are done with that, you may head on over to your practice. Make it a great day the Cougar way. Thank you for your hard work.